All right, if you're anything like me, one feature that you do not like on your Honda Pilot is the auto start-stop feature, and that is this button right here. You can see mine is defaulted to off instead of on, and I'm going to show you a quick little module that I installed to default that button to off, so I do not have to remember to press it every time I start the car, and that feature is turned off, and it will not auto start-stop unless I want to reactivate it. So if you look here on this model, this is a 24 Honda Pilot, there's a button here to normally turn it off, and you can actually turn the module off and turn that feature back on again. But I like mine to default to off, so I don't have an auto start stop anymore. Underneath this trim piece, I've already pulled it up loose for you. I'm going to show you where it plugs in. It plugs in this plug right here on this Honda Pilot. You plug your factory plug in on that side, and you plug this back in where the factory plug was. This comes with a tool that you can pop up and pop these little clips out. There's about 4 to 5 holding this down. You can kind of see that they snap down in these little holes like that. And I'll show you too when I power the vehicle back off and back on. That feature again is defaulted to off. So no more remembering to press the button. I will have my Amazon affiliate links in the description if you're interested in this product. If you think this information was helpful for you, please subscribe and share. And that's to the point.